Beowulf and his kids. Hi, Beowulf. Oh, sorry, my shadow. This is one of the girls. Oh, my shadow again, sorry. That's a girl. That's my girl. What are you doing, huh? What's she doing, beautifuls? What you doing? There's another girl. Sorry, again, the shadow. This is another girl. It's mainly girls. Those two are girls. There's Moon. There's my post hole digger they ate the handle off of. Hey, Beowulf. Beowulf is down to his short coat again. He looks so funny. Oh, knock it off. What? 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 I love it when he has his long coat. Short coat makes him look skinny. What? You looking at the camera? This is actually the first litter that Beowulf has actually got to interact with a lot. He's seen the other ones here and there, but every time Beowulf goes out, his kids go out with him. And of course Moon too, Auntie Moon. Since Moon and Violet actually have the same father. Huh, that's right. Huh, Violet. Yeah, what we're working on now for them is the potty training. Understanding that's where you're supposed to do that. Ow, Violet! And this is Violet hooking me with her dew claw. Ow, dew claw hurts. What are you doing? And that in the background, if you heard that, that's Chara being Chara. She's up in the other exercise run. Alright guys, I gotta go get all you guys' stuff ready.